Beautiful day for a race, guys. Woo! Woo! Have a great race. Have a great race. Have a great race, guys. Thank you. Have a great race. Have a great race. Woo! Have fun, guys. Enjoy the day. Yeah! Get it! Woo! Yeah! Have a great race, Amber.
Thank you.
Have fun. Woo! Sun's out. Have a great race, buddy. There you go. Oh, dude. Great swim. I knew it. I knew it. Woo! Great race, guys. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the day. Woo! Great swim, girls. Great.
Baby, no fast.
All that swim training paid off. Have fun, ladies. Have fun. Woo! Yeah! Have a great race. Tim! Woo! Have a great night, buddy. Bomb! Woo! You had the best swim ever, man. Yeah. 0. Very quick, very quick. And you long transition. You look fresh now. Gotta work on that one, but you know. Have a great ride, Tim.
Hey! Best looking crew here.
Woo! Go, we shall go. You got this.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go.
You guys go catch Mark Pilates. It's going to be fun. It's going to be busy. It's a good day.
Relaxing on this side of the fence.
No swimming, just catching up on my tanning.
Was that your call? Was that your call?
No, if you're gonna do an Ironman, what's a little cold water? This is Canada.